No, I mean...
Oh, something like that. Yeah. Like, so then the dialogue goes like, choreo,
They also teachers here.
on accident. Because we were training, yeah, like, I got a scar. Well, my teacher is, yeah.
Were you brought to dance?
No, it was just tiny. It was pretty...
He's very handsome. Yeah, I bet he... Or maybe he should...
No, I really don't know.
Sana.
Mabilis na mag-second month na lang tayo. We're on our third or second week sa December. Third, di ba? We're on our third week.
Second pa lang.
Second to. Matatapos ng second natin. Di ba? Kasi 10 na tayo ngayon eh. So matatapos na. More or less mga 12, 13 ganyan. Magta-third week.
Minsan na nakaka-depress. Lalo na pag naiisip ko.
You know the song, Björn?
Pero mostly meron pa lang times na parang
That's a nice song.
biglang
That's a really nice song.
siguro kanina paranoid kaya ako kasi nakabasa ako na diba sabi ko siya imposible makabasa yan kasi parang iniisip ko agad kasi nakabasa ko yung pag may mga dalawang beses na ako nakabasa hindi pa ako ganyan para wala tayong alam sa family natin
Ayun ko nga na-realize eh. Kasi dati, doon hindi kami magkasama sa isang bubong. Kasi nga, nasa city ako, sila nasa probinsya talaga. Pero nagkukontak, tumatawag mama ko, tas
at least you know
dati kasi pag tumatawag siya, ako lagi, oo na, sige na, babay.
ako rin
Ano ako lagi? Kasi parang, alam ko naman na nandyan sila, di ba? So ano bang pag-uusapan? Sige na, sige, okay, bibigyan ko na. Okay, minsan nag-text, ang haba ng text, replyan ko lang ng kiss. And ko na-realize na parang, di ba, may pagkukulang din ako. Minsan, pag dinadala kong kapatid ko, namimili kami, di ba? Namimili ako ng gamit ko, mga gamit ko, mga personal hygiene. Siyempre, bibigyan ko ng kapatid ko. Kasi kasama ko siya eh, parang baka may naman siya, ganyan. Bibigyan ko siya. Naisip ko, parang ang gastos namin dito yung dalawa, pero ang parents kaya namin doon, ang isang kapatid kaya namin doon, ano kaya?
tatlo kayo diba? Ikaw ba eldest?
Hindi, middle.
Eldest no, married na
Hindi, nasa amin, sa bahay lang.
yung life natin yung life natin after dito
I can make love because that's written by George Michael.
Wait.
Well, I guess it would be nice if I can catch your body and know that that's about it. Ano mo yan? Mga distinct 80s.
Like, voice canta.
Or 70s. There's
What's love got to do? Got to do with it.
you know that
siguro pag napapanood tayo ng pamilya natin like yung Belen, like yung Mahirap. Di ba natatawa sila? Oo, tsaka yung wasabi or...
Time dito.
Eating balot. Ano ba yan? Balot, no? Sama ng lasa. Lasa, pero may lasa siya. Lasang chicken. Sabi ko, ganito. Pag ganyan.
Balut.
Ayaw
Kasi
na.
kumakain naman talaga ako ng balut.
Eh kasi
Yun nga lang, hindi ko tinitignan.
ganito yun kanina. Ginaganyan niya lahat. Parang ano, no? Ganun mo nga. Yan.
Nagkataon lang sa iyo na ano nabigay. Kaya ka hindi naman ganun eh. Parang ano pa nga eh. Parang hindi ko masyadong nakita ang duck.
Ayaw ko na isipin. Nasa yung babuo ng rock. Hindi ko tinignan bakla. Kasi basta nakikita ko green na may yellow. Parang red. Light red. Open na din. Pamo, grabe. Gusto ko yung pamo ka. Kakatapos ko pa lang sa first. May sa third na siya.
Shock nga ako.
Beginning, second.
Mga babae, majority sa top 5. Mga babae, majority sa top 5. Dalawa na lalaki. Tatlo mga babae. Shock ako. Ano yun, diba? Better than sunshine.
What a feeling, what a feeling in my soul.
I'm yours and suddenly you're mine. Yan ang una ko papakinggan paglabas ko.
Ano?
Yan ang una ko papakinggan. Marami na akong plano.
Feeling hindi makakalit.
Hindi ako mag-YouTube.
iPad na.
iPad na.
Sarap na kasi naman.
I'm a Bobby girl, you a Bobby girl. Say my name, say my name. You know I never around you. Say baby, I love
Music ka rin?
you. We've got a date, say my name.
Sa ano? Espanya.
Feel like it's got a shade.
Saan yan? University Bell. Malayo ba? Mga 30 minutes dito. Nagtatanong sana ako.
Imbitahan ko ba naman?
But give me another day. You another day. I'm no young love day. Simply give me that day. I'm the girl you might say.
Ala, imbitahan mo naman. All the women. Sige pa mo, kantayin mo yun.
May delicious.
Ano ka? Or kanta na, ano yun? A few
On my feet.
A few That's what I just really got the hand. Well, she has a lot of videos. This is one video.
Situation.
Chocolate rain. I thought the most weird video was Charlie Bale.
Not all.
I'm not craving.
Yeah, there we go.
Sabi kong ano, paglabas mo, anong una mong kakainin? Ako? Magda-diet ako bakla? Wala akong naisip kainin.
Pupunta ka ng mall. For sure.
Bibili ako ng
Pupunta ka sa madaming tao. For sure.
wala na akong pakailan. Ay, nako. Well, I've done Tatanggatin ko, gagawin ko. Caroline, she's a golden calculator. No, no, no.
1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. You know Beyonce.
Yeah. What's that song?
Wait, you went
American boy. Take me to your night. I love to see LA. I really want to.
I love that song.
We're my American boy. American Meron din si Rihanna, pero din si Madonna.
I don't see the rain from my window. Yes.
Alam niyo yung kanta ni Madonna na Take a Bow? Kanta ni Madonna. Yung Take a Bow ni Madonna.
Take a Bow ba yun? Rihanna.
May Rihanna din. Pero yung Madonna maganda.
Alam ko lang sa kanya, like a bird.
Funny, but I don't like your way. Like that.
It's okay. That
I don't like. Because Japan needs
I was
the
big.
girl, one to the boy, very strong guy.
I've been
That's
hurt.
little different.
I was
Shave, yeah. That's like but my original figure.
Like a virgin.
When I go to
That's for the very first time.
Japan, I know Japanese girls
Like a
will
virgin.
yeah, all Japanese ladies will fall in love with
They have one of my. I love Michael Bolton. He's like my favorite. Said I loved you, but I lied. Oo, maganda yun. They have a song of Michael Bolton.
Yeah, he's an very clever guy.
I love Michael Bolton. He's like my favorite in the world. Just almost.
Hey guys, sorry, mate. Like, hey
He's
guys,
just like Michael Bolton. I said I loved you, but I lied.
He's like, hey guys, sorry I'm late. I was watching the
Who said that?
Yeah.
I said I
Like, well, I have
loved you,
something
but
for you
I
guys.
lied.
You lay down, me.
I
was like, He's thinking about movies, like they're thinking about being in a club. He's thinking about movies, like Pirates.
but I think I'm balanced.
Bakit wala nang sequel nung ano doon? Nung Lost in Space na movie?
Not Malon.
No,
Hindi ko napanood yun.
And he thinks about
unbalanced.
Tony Montana.
Oh
my God.
Dapat hindi ka na ganyan. Oh, but you... What's story sa Michael Bolton?
You know, hairy guy. Very
Iba.
That you in it, bak, you got spot, you got spot. Ayan. Kay Nicki Minaj.
Victory.
Sobra-sobra nga ba ang pagiging emotional mo na umalis si Mark, kaya mas gusto nilang samahan mo na lang siya din sa labas. Pako. Masyado ka naman